In this module, as part of the Church HR Toolkit, we'll cover annual leave. This video will only summarise the essentials and cover important legal aspects, but we provide more detail in the associated notes and related links. The module covers what needs to appear in the contract of employment, how to calculate annual leave entitlement, and deal with unusual working patterns. Annual leave is a statutory right, the current minimum entitlement being 28 days, comprising of 20 days plus 8 bank holidays. For part-time employees, holiday entitlement is calculated pro rata based on their hours. Calculating leave in hours rather than days is recommended for accuracy, especially for part-time workers. The annual leave entitlement should be detailed in the employment contract, specifying full-time entitlement and adjustments for part-time employees. Explicitly state the leave amount in the contract and adjust leave for employees starting or leaving mid-year in alignment with the holiday year. The holiday year must be specified in the contract, which for most PCCs will be January to December, though it could be April to March. Defining the holiday year is crucial for calculating annual leave. Carrying over leave to the next year is permitted, as long as the leave taken in any one year meets the minimum statutory entitlement requirements. This carryover is complicated by long-term sick or maternity leave. Calculating annual leave can be a little complicated, particularly for part-time employees and for those who start or leave mid-year. The formula with examples are shown in the accompanying notes. When an employee leaves, encourage them to use their annual leave during their notice period, but any unused leave that has been accrued should be paid out in their final pay. If an employee consistently works paid overtime, this is regarded as custom and practice. Their holiday pay should reflect this, based on the average overtime over the past 12 months. For employees who don't work Mondays, for instance, if they are part-time or compress their hours, annual leave calculations are affected due to more bank holidays falling on Mondays. Using the formula given in the notes will ensure equivalency. Employees that only work term time, say 39 weeks out of 52, are likely to have special limitations set for annual leave. For example, they must take holidays outside term time in order to minimise the amount of cover needed. Holidays may be accrued when they are not able to be taken, such as during a probation period, sick leave or maternity leave. A table for calculating accrued holidays is provided in the accompanying notes. Try to use an HR software package to manage annual leave. Otherwise, you may wish to use an annual leave card, which we provide as a download.